a movie out here.
A movie?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. It has Glenn Ford in it. Glenn Ford. Uh-huh. You remember Glenn Ford?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
Handsome fella.
Yeah.
Sort of like you.
Yeah.
Well, I think he got old.
You got old?
Yeah.
Oh, for Pete's sake.
How in the world? Hey, Gordon,
What?
let's go out here. Come with me?
All right.
All right.
It's not raining yet.
No, sir. Not out where we're going.
All right.
Okay. Tell you what, push your chair back. Perfect. Pull your feet back. Okay. That's it. Good. Now, time to stand up.
Right.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Hold on here. Get stable. Perfect. Hold right there. Okay, now I want you to stand tall. Yeah, there you go. Up top. I'm gonna rub your back a little bit. You've been sitting a while.
That's right.
I know, it gets stiff sitting too long, doesn't it?
Sure does.
Yeah, now stand real tall, and I'm gonna get your walking machine.
Oh, you are?
Cut 2. Yeah. Can you bring your shoulders back a little? There you go. You're in the arm. Ooh, maybe that's not a good memory. Hold on just a second while I get your walker.
All right.
Okay. Right there. This is Gordon's right here. Thank you, ma'am. Your chariot.
All right, you got it. You got hold of it?
Get hold of it, as they say. Let's take the brakes off. And let's go that way.